everyone, how are you? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over some of my favorite products from 2024. So let's get started. No particular order, let's start with these two. These were both Amazon purchases. These are the Expert Touch lint-free nail wipes, and I started using these last year, and this has slowly become one of my favorite items. And this is the size, I want to say it's like 2x2. Yes, it is 2x2. You get 325 in a box. And I do have these in my Amazon storefront. I absolutely love these. Also from Amazon is this tiny little like torch light. And it has a 20-second timer and a 60-second timer. I want to specify I only use this for flash carrying purposes. This does not replace a full-size lamp. So just as an FYI, so if I'm doing any sort of nail art or I've been getting into using dual forms, I like to use this on the top part right over here to hold everything in place, and then I pop everything in my lamp. Speaking of lamps, last year I invested in the EnVogue lamp and I absolutely love this. Besides the EnVogue system I also use Magic Gel products, and Magic Gel doesn't have a lamp, but they give you the parameters at which their products cure at, and this lamp works absolutely wonderful, and I've had no issues using this with the EnVogue products. Next up, let's talk about cuticle nippers. I bought these cuticle nippers at Nail Tech event of the Smokies last year, and these are from Staleks Pro. I bought these from, I believe, Polished Pinkies Pro. Anything that I have a link for will be in my description right down below. These are the Smart 34mm nippers, and these nippers come with a little protective cover. So these are, it's a nice like smaller blade on the nippers. And these in between, it has the spring, which I'm liking the spring better than your traditional nippers. But you can take these off when you want to clean the nippers. That way you can open this a lot more. Now, this item I did not purchase in 2024. I think I got it either last year or the year before. I can't remember. But this is from Katie Barnes Tool Range, and this is the KB Protect. If you want to literally practice any type of nail extensions, protect your nail bed, and then peel it off when you're done, you really need to give these a try. So it's from Katie Barnes Tool Range, and when you get these, I have a whole video showing you how to do this, and this is the video that you could watch me use these in. And you have this on one side, and you have your instructions. And it comes with a whole sheet like this. You get a bunch of sheets, and all of these are for the different sizes of your nail plate. I use these every single time I want to practice any of my extreme shapes. Next up, we have from the Moldwood Manicurist, Tracy Vincent. This is her HEMA-free metallic glaze. And what this is for, and this is just clear like this, but if you're doing a full nail of foils and chrome, and we know how shiny those surfaces are, you put this right over any foil or chrome, and then you put your top coat right over this. I've gone weeks without anything chipping on the free edge or any of that from using this, so definitely give this a try. Next up, we have Ikon.Iq, and last year I was nice enough to receive some PR goodies from them. I have my whole video on my TikTok account, but the two favorites I've been liking from everything they sent me is their Shine Like a Diamond top coat, and the wear on this is absolutely amazing, and also their black gel paint. I have tried, I don't know how many different brands of black gel paint. You can see how pigmented this is on the lid. This I really, really like. And I also like the packaging on this. Granted, all the other black gel paints I have are different in their own way, but just something with this black gel paint, if I want to get like really nice, like fine, thin lines, I will grab this one. I don't know what it is about this one, but I've been grabbing this one a lot more. Next up, we have this from Ugly Duckling, and this is their HEMA-free Emboss It. Last year and this year, you ever see any of those nails that have like the textured look to it? You have this slight like 3D or 2D like raised lines. That is what you can use Emboss It for. So definitely add this in your collection. One of my favorite collections with gel polishes came from EnVogue. This is the video that you can watch this from, but all 4 of these are insanely gorgeous. I do highly recommend you to watch the video. I'm not going to fully show you everything, so just watch this video when you want to see what all 4 of these colors look like. In terms of gel, we have from Magic Gel, these have been my 3 items I've been using non-stop. So last year I really decided to invest in the whole Acrogel system, and I did get the ultimate starter kit, which I do have an unboxing video. It is this one right over here. So part of that, you got silicone thin base, and this is just a clear base gel, and you use this underneath any of the Magic Gel systems, and this comes in a pot or a bottle depending on what you want to work with, and I like the pot better than the bottle. But I purchased so much of Magic Gel stuff last year that I have so much silicone thin base, I'm not going to run out of it anytime soon. And in the Acrogel line, their Acrogel line is a little bit different from your traditional like polygel Acrogel, because theirs is self-leveling. So this is the color Elegance, and then this is the color Cream Puff. These are the 2 colors I've been reaching for the most. I cannot say, I don't know where to start with the words, let's put it this way. But as I said, I don't know where to start with the words. I absolutely love their Acrogel system. Last year, from Profiles Backstage, they came out with a whole new product line called Babe. And I have a couple videos talking about the Babe products. You just have to go like search around. I did some nail art with this. I did a whole unboxing of everything. You have to go check it out. This is also another HEMA-free line, and it's also DHEMA-free. And when it says Smart Self-Leveling, this is more of, I want to say, a medium viscosity hard gel. This is the color Pink Fire. This is the one I reach for the most, hence why I have a big, huge pot of this. But this self-levels so nicely. You can work with a couple fingers at a time if you're a beginner with hard gel, or you want to use something that is HEMA-free. Definitely go give this a try. They have 2 size pots on the website. So this one is your 15 mil and this is your 50. So you can see the size difference between both of these. They're matte and they're shiny top coat, and this shiny top coat is a color protector. I've been reaching for these so much, I have to buy new bottles. And from everything in the Babe line with their gel polishes, I want to say the 2 colors I reach for the most is Raven and Angel. Raven is a 1 coat coverage black, and this, I've had no issues with this curing. It is insanely gorgeous for a black. Anytime one of my clients wants black, I'm always reaching for this, and this is the color Raven. And then this white is called Angel. It is also a 1 coat coverage, and if anyone is familiar with Profiles Backstage with their product line, and you know that they have a white magic and a black magic, those are not HEMA free. So, but I will say these are literally the HEMA-free version of White Magic and Black Magic. So if you like White Magic and Black Magic, or you use white and black all the time, definitely check these out. Let's talk about nail brushes. These are all of my favorite nail brushes for 2024. So let's start with this one. This is from the Babe line from Profiles Backstage. They do have their own line of brushes. So this is an oval brush, but this one is on the small end. Can you see the sides of it? It's really nice, small, oval brush, and the belly of the brush is not that thick. So if you have clients that have like a smaller nail plate and you don't want such a big, huge brush, definitely check this one out. Also, I have brushes from Magic Gel. So the one I reach for the most with all of my potted gels is their Flawless Oval number 7, which looks like this. And I also use this for any of my potted gels. Now with Magic Gel, they have two different style of brushes. You have your regular brush, which looks like this, and it has no cap, so that's why I keep these. And then you have your premium brushes, which look like this. So these are 3 different art brushes. So first up, we have the Delicate Liner number 1. Then you have your Essential Detailer number 4. And last, you have your number 2, your Lines and Swirls brush, which is this one over here. Last but not least, in terms of brushes or anything for this video, is all of this. So these 3 brushes over here come from my friend Mary Ellen, and she has 2 of her own brushes. So these are the newer style brushes that have all the nice like fine lines and swirls on there. So you have your perfect sculpt and your perfect polisher. What is really, really nice about her brushes is that when you take the caps off, you can't see the bristles. So all you do is you take this little circle and pop this up, and there are your brushes. So you have your perfect polisher on top and your perfect sculpt on the bottom. So you have a choice of oval or square. And both of these brushes, the belly on them is really nice and thin. It's not that thick, comes down to a nice thin tip at the end. So it's just personal preference on which one you want to use. You have this gorgeous brush case. So this was gifted to me last year from EnVogue. So this is their brush case, which could stand up like this, and you just pull this cord in the back to tighten it up. And this is all of their brushes. I do have a video I'm gonna pop up on the screen over here, and if you want to see everything close up. But the one brush I've been reaching for the most out of everything that they sent me is this one. This is their double-ended art brush, like their 2-in-1 double-ended brush. So you have this really nice long liner brush on this side, and then on the other one it's a shorter art brush. So this art brush I reach for almost all the time, just as much as my Magic Gel art brushes. So once again, this is everything I showed you from some of my favorite products of 2024. Have you tried anything I showed you? If you have, let me know if you've tried any of these lines before. What is your favorite item? Do you have a favorite item from 2024 or items that I didn't show you? Let me know down in the comment section down below, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.